spooky people, it's Lilith. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a lovely day. Today I'll be showing you how I made the patches for this jacket. First thing I did was do a detailed sketch of each logo. If you have a printer, you'll save yourself a lot of time if you do that instead. I'm then drawing on the back of each piece of paper with colored pencil in a light color, and then drawing onto those with a mechanical pencil without the lead pushed out so it doesn't rip through the paper. And this will leave a very faint impression onto your fabric. After that was done, I had all of these rough patches with the faint imprint of each of the logos. The harder you press down and the more color pencil you use will make it so much easier to see these in the end. I wish I knew that before I did this. A hint for you, or a tip for you rather, when you're painting is to go and touch up with black whenever you overdraw something or it's not looking exactly how you want it to. This process was so time-consuming, but also so worth it. And these are the completed patches. I really love the way that they turned out. These are 4 of my favorite bands, so it makes me really happy to wear this and go out and be supporting them, show that I'm a fan. I wanted to briefly explain how I put this pentacle on the back. I did it a very long time ago, so I don't have the footage. So I just wanted to explain. I drew out a symmetrical pentagram, poked a hole in each of the points, and then I drew with pencil onto the jacket to leave a mark at where each of the points would be. I then poked a hole and then stamped a rivet into each of these. And if you buy these eyelets, they'll have instructions on how to put them in. And then this is our completed jacket. Yay! I've been working on and off on this jacket probably for about a year now, something like that, maybe a little bit less. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an awesome day, and I'll see you guys in the next one.